Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to make Eid card for the Eid Ul Fitr without your picture in the Canva application. Come to the laptop and type the Canva in the search box and then click on the Canva application. This is the main page of the Canva application. Type the Eid Ul Fitr code and then press the enter button. These all the Eid card for the Eid Ul Fitr. You can see here. Click on the one card and then click on the another card. I want to customize this one templates. Click on the customize button. Click on it and then delete the upper written, and I want to write my name on this card. Click on the text option and then click on the add a text box button. Click on it. You can see here, write your name here. I write regards and Alusen. You can see here, you can change this one into the uppercase. I want to change again into the lowercase. You can see here, and you can maximize and minimize the text. You can see here by clicking on the minimize and maximize the button, and you can move this text from one place to another place, and you can minimize and maximize by this option also. And you can also change the font size by moving this option. You can see here, you can move the text from one place to another place. You can place it where you want to place, and you can also change the font transparency and the font color. Click on it and you can see here, click on the document color and you can change the color by this option. The color has been changed. You can see here, scroll down, other color are also available. You can see here, default gradient color are also available. You can select the gradient color from this option, and I want to select the black color. You can see here, and how to download. Click on the share button and then click on the download option, and finally click on the download button. Click on it. You can see here, download will start here. How to change the name, type the name Eid Ul Fitr, and then I want to save in the download folder. Click on the save button. You can see here the download has been completed, and click on the folder where you want to save the card, this one. Click on it and you can see here, this is my card for the Eid Ul Fitr. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to make Eid card for the Eid Ul Fitr without your picture in the Canva application. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.